Like we saw and talked about earlier, some extreme temperatures across Omaha right now causing a lot of problems for firefighters, and those temperatures are going to stick with us and get colder overnight.
Yeah, as it turns out, tonight's going to be the coldest night that we've seen so far this season. Sub-zero temperatures, and well, you don't want something like this to happen at any time, but the fact that they have to deal with the cold, not to mention the situation down there, makes it doubly hard on the firefighters. Threat tracker tonight is in the moderate category for the cold weather, and we'll keep it that way on Sunday as well. It's going to be a very chilly start to the day. Some moderation to the temperatures heading into Monday. As we take a look at our current conditions outside, still some clouds on the horizon, but we're seeing some clearing taking place. That trend will continue tonight, and that's what's really going to send those temperatures plummeting. Right now we're sitting at 10 degrees with the north-northwest wind at 21 miles an hour. It feels more like -9. We'll show you the wind chills in just a little bit. To the north of the metro and also to the west, single digits. Columbus at 7 degrees, 4 in Norfolk, and 3, -1 at Denison and Carroll, respectively. Meanwhile, to the south of Omaha, Lincoln and Plattsmouth have now dropped below 10 degrees with teens from Beatrice over toward Falls City. Couple the winds out of the northwest, sustained in the lower 20-mile-per-hour range and occasionally gusty at times. We've seen some gusts up around 30 miles an hour periodically, but it looks like the gustier winds now are to the east of Omaha and western Iowa. Still, that's driving the wind chills into the sub-zero teens to our north and also just to the south of the metro with minus single digits from Red Oak down toward Clarinda. Bitterly cold weather out there, and as the night goes on, the temperatures fall. It's going to feel even colder, dangerously so. A wind chill advisory goes into effect at midnight tonight and will continue until about 10 a.m. on Sunday for wind chill values between -15 and -23 degrees. Bitterly cold weather out there, to say the least. As we take a look at our satellite, you can see the clearing taking place around the metro and into northeastern Nebraska. It's dry. We've got a fairly quiet weather pattern over the next several days. As we take a look at Futurecast from 7 o'clock on, we'll go from the single digits and falling into the lower single digits, right around 2 degrees by around 10 o'clock tonight. These may be just a little bit cool as we will maintain at least some wind through the evening hours. But as the winds die down, the temperatures will certainly fall. Look up around Norfolk. Projected temperatures by midnight at around 7 below zero, and we'll be knocking on the door of sub-zero readings by that time. We're looking for eventual lows tonight to drop to about -3 degrees at 6 a.m. on Sunday. A cold start to the morning if you're heading out for those church services. So -3 for the low. Wind chill advisory goes into effect late tonight. It will feel like anywhere between -13 and -23 below at times tonight. Again, threat tracker in the moderate category through tomorrow. Again, the wind chill values will be the coldest in the morning for tomorrow. Then the winds will subside, become more southwesterly in the afternoon. We should be able to climb into the mid-teens. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Now, we will moderate some heading into Monday. Could see some flurries in the overnight hours, but another shot of colder air will be triggering those flurries, and we'll be dropping back into the mid-teens on Tuesday. Beyond that, though, we'll moderate back into the lower 30s heading into Friday. Again, the clouds build in. There's a possibility we could see some scattered light snow showers next Saturday as we drop to about 25 degrees. So very chilly start tonight. If you're going out tonight, you'll certainly want to dress warmly. Frostbite can creep up on you just like that. So be